What's up, Star Ones?
Hope you're doing amazing. Hope you're out there making it happen.
And smashing gold.
It's another beautiful day here in sunny Florida, and Mila made a picture for her best friend,
Kendall.
Cool. Nice picture. Look, a big old lizard. Ricardo. He ran away. He's too fast.
There's a lot of big lizards that look like Ricardo.
There's only one Ricardo.
There's a tons of lizards that look like Ricardo, though.
So it's a beautiful day here in sunny Florida. The sun's out. The buns are out. Gotta take advantage. Now that we have this GoPro, I want to start making driving videos with a BMW, but before we get to that, I gotta make it aesthetically pleasing. So there's a lot of stuff that we gotta fix on it. We're gonna start today with the upper windshield molding. What a beautiful day here in sunny Florida. As always, here's the BMW, looking all pretty and There's a couple things that I want to fix on it before I start making the videos, inside and out. But today we're gonna start by working on the upper windshield molding. As you see, it's all dry rotted and cracked and it's brittle and it looks disgusting. BMWs are known for this. Should be easy. First, we're just gonna pick this off to expose the clip under it. I have some picks that are supposed to help getting in there. It's too daggone sunny out there and hot as hell. I'm already sweating. So I'm gonna move the vehicle in. That's much better now that we're out of the elements. Oh, look at that. If you're new to the channel, this is my 91 Nissan Skyline Jeter. When this channel reaches 1,000 subscribers, this baby's gonna get a major upgrade in horsepower, so subscribe, stick around. I will not disappoint. So now that we're out of the elements, whew, I can concentrate on what the hell I was talking about. First of all, this thing is dirty. As you see here, another video, I'm gonna take this out, make that look better. That's a vinyl headlight tint, which I'll talk about in another video. It looked good when I first did it, but it's been like 2-3 years and you know, the sun did its thing. But today we're gonna focus on the windshield upper molding. Here I have the new upper windshield molding. I got it on Amazon. I saw that FCP Euro actually sells one that looks like it might be better quality, but I'm not sure. I just got this one off Amazon. It was like 25 bucks. Let's lay this thing down and make sure that it actually fits. It looks like it will. So the length looks right. I also acquired these picks to see if one of these would help just make it easier getting in there. I'm thinking of going with this one, a little 90-degree one. I think it might make it a lot easier. Also gonna use a microfiber towel so I don't press on the windshield or on the paint. Let's see if we can get in here. I'm using the pick to get the molding off. I'm gonna get all the molding off to expose what's in there. There we go. Nice and easy, nice and gentle. Took my time. And I got the old molding off. Now this whole thing should come off. The only thing is that, I mean, I guess this one's old, but this one's so much sturdier than the new one. I wonder if it's because it's old. So once you get one side off, the whole thing should just come right up. Look how old and brittle this thing was. I have some plastic trim duo-mahikis that I'm gonna use to pretty much scrape this off. Then I'm gonna use my shop vac to go back and get the debris. This is a little interior duo-mahiki. It's like a little radio install clip interior trim stuff taker out of her. I don't know what it's called. It's plastic, it's hard, and I'm gonna use it to safely scrape the rubber from, you just watch, you'll see. Sorry, I didn't mean to give you guys attitude back there. I just, it's hot and I get grumpy. You see this? You could probably use a credit card and do this, or anything hard. Giggity. It helps that today is hot as hell, so the rubber and the glue is just coming off so smoothly. Yeah, nice and smooth. Like, it's way easier with the tool because you can get under it. And there we go. Look at that. So now that I got the old mold out, I'm gonna go back with the shop vac and get all this debris out. And then after that, I'm gonna come back with some soap and water, just a little soap and water, clean this out, and then use rubbing alcohol. Since this other one has 3M tape that's gonna stick here, so I wanna make sure that the surface is nice and clean. That was actually pretty satisfying. I'm gonna go back with some soap and water and make sure that it's thoroughly cleaned. If you guys don't have a shop vac, this right here is a lifesaver. Let me know down in the comments if you want me to do a product review on which shop vac I think is well worth the money. As my good buddy Chris Fix says, soapy water. Soapy water. There we go. I'm not gonna do too much because I don't wanna drench it in there. I'm also gonna use some Windex. See which one works better. So I'm gonna do that to both sides all the way along, so it comes out nice and clean for adhesives to do its thing. I think Windex helps better. So after a few passes of soapy water and Windex, made sure there's no debris in there, so I went over it again with the shop vac. Now that it's nice and clean, we're gonna finish it off with some isopropyl alcohol. Don't drink it. And of course we're using a new rag. It's pretty daggone hot, so you know, it'll dry out quick. Let's go install our new molding. Well, here we go. Everything's clean. Everything's prepped. I see this is gonna slide into the windshield, and then I'm gonna slide it to the edge. And then I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. And then I'm gonna release the 3M tape. I'm gonna put this right in there. So that one I put right here and then slid it in, giggity. I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. Before I do, I'm gonna take a little piece of this off so that way I can rip it off across. It's tight. Before I take it off, I'm gonna make sure that it's all the way, that it's in all the way. As you see, there's some spots that are not flat. Now that everything is nice and flush, it looks great. I guess the difference is that the one from FCP Euro comes with a little tab that you pull afterwards, but you know, out here we make it happen. We smash them goals. I positioned this to get, you know, ready to pull. So when I'm ready, I just go ahead and I slowly peel. I want to go slow because I don't want to rip this thing halfway and then I'll be assed out. While I'm doing that, I'm also gonna go back and apply a little bit of pressure. I'm gonna apply a little pressure as I go along, all the way through. Boom. Mission accomplished, ladies and gentlemen. This thing looks beautiful. Somewhere in there have the before. And this is the after. Well, that was quick and easy. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Even though this little improvement doesn't affect the drivability, let's go give you a little sneak peek on the GoPro of things to come. Oh yeah, get excited, ladies and gentlemen. This right here is about eye level. This is what we're about to see on the next coming videos. This is why I want to make some improvements, because you see this handle right here. You're gonna see it on camera and it just doesn't look right. So stay tuned for that video. But this right here is about eye level. This is about what you guys are gonna see and hear. Oh yeah, get excited, ladies and gentlemen. Good stuff, good stuff. Ah, son of